Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your fingerprint sensor in your Vivo smartphone. If your finger lock or print is not working, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option. Here you can see, go to apps option. You can see here it is, go to, and you have to just click on see all 79 apps, and you have to just clear the cache of settings option like Android system, career option, career services. Here you can see clear cache this, and all the settings related to this you have to just clear the cache of it like this. Settings, go to clear cache, and then this, and then press back. You have to just restart it first and then press back. You can see there is a security option. Go to fingerprint, and you have to just open the start enrollment. How you can just make a add a fingerprint. You have to just simply place your fingerprint here like this. You can see it is filling, and you can see fingerprint is added. You have to just click on done, and it is setted. And I show you how it is done, and it is power off now, and I place my finger there, and you can see it is open without any finger lock or screen lock. It is open. This is how you can make a password. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.